Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2009 Ford F-150. It's right here behind me. Let's start right away up front. On the front end you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy duty tow hooks. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Running boards on the side, inside cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side. You have the FX4 off-road package on here. Rear backup sensors and a factory trailer hitch. We're going to take a look at the bed now. You do have a spray-in bed liner as well as the hard cap on top. It's going to keep your bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise as well as audio controls mounted here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control, four-wheel drive, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.